a nice El Camino. I like it.
I got the park right now.
C10?
Ready?
Yeah. Trans Am like the Smokey and the Bandit car. It's a nice looking C10. Forget the hearse because I will never die.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. Cougar. Mercury Cougar. I heard about this thing in the hot rod book this morning. Mercury Cougar.
Must be the stuff I was going to say about sports.
Chevrolet. This thing's cool. Like a 48 or something. Oh, they're matching. Look at these two. That looks cool.
Yeah,
they're like matching.
Yeah, sure does. Check out the old Corvette.
Yeah, I like that too. There's one up here parked next to us, and it's exactly like that.
I didn't touch it. Like a booty on my
Nova?
right there. I never started.
GDS? A Dart? Hey, that's cool. Dart? Hey, I like that green. But this got a big block.
I like the Dart.
Yeah, that's cool. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. What's up? Oh, 6-pack. Big block.
6-pack?
White leather. Oh, that is awesome. That's absolutely beautiful. That is so cool. Usually the 68 has them tents. And the 69, they have them up here, and they're a little bigger. That is awesome.
Oh, yeah.
That
Trying to keep
becomes
them
the
away.
problem.
Right? Well, no, he needs more.
Okay, he's like, no.
This thing's awesome. Look at the old Schwinn Wizard.
I have one that's full. I need another one.
This thing's absolutely so cool. It's the original gas-powered bike. That's awesome. That's so cool.
Yeah, I sold my Nova. Yeah. I'm only half Ford though. It's got still got Chevy.
Yeah. That's fine.
Oh, 1934. Those are all Ford. Mach 1. A Nova. Okay, I'm trucking. We're gonna do what they say can't be done. Got a long way to go and a short time to get there. So easy. Hey, the Dixieland truck likes it.
Yeah, it does. That Dixieland is probably worth more money than the armored cars that drive the money to the bank right now.
Probably. Found it down.
Lots of El Caminos today.
Yeah, I like them. They say can't be done. A long way to go and a short time to get there. Now watching bandits run. That's cool.
These were the two hardest colors.
This little bug. Oh, like copper bronze penny color.
He was like, yes. And after we painted it, he's like, well, I just didn't want to scare you. You guys did the work. Color
Ford Fairlane, right?
There was a song, I want to see the Fairlane up on
On
blocks.
blocks. Holes in all our socks. Wanna see me go
Lifestyles
hog
of the not so
wild?
rich and famous.
Yeah. Wanna see me go hog wild over beans and barbecue? Yeah, that's a big burn for
I
all.
was like, oh, I feel bad that we spray painted
Yeah,
it
boy.
when we would have brought it here. Rusty should have spray painted.
Uncle Mom. This thing got a newer 5.0.
GTX is awesome.
Oh yeah. Completely walked right past it and it's for sale.
Yeah, how much? You gotta go ask.
Yeah, I do. Do you the black?
Make you a nice first car.
Yeah, would.
Go ask. How much this will make me a nice first car?
Dang, that looks good. This thing got a newer 55. It's got a newer motor though. Oh, Chevy.
That barbecue pork sandwich there from Crave Eatery is amazing. Y'all gotta try it out. It's delicious.
So, tomboy. Oh man. Look at this thing. Ah. An AAR. It's an AAR. It's an AAR. It's an AAR. Automatic. Oh, but that's all you need to know right there. That was so good.
By the time we hit that Chi-town, them bears was getting
Yeah, it is. That's so cool. So cool.
Illinois National Guard.
Look at that clevis on this thing. This is cool.
I could see the bridge was lined with
It's a miniature version of a Rumley oil pool.
And this here's a rubber duck. We just ain't
Yeah, that's really cool. Firebird. Porsche. This is cool. 62 Falcon.
Cool guy.
Yeah, it is. Help yourself to the Bibles. That's awesome. That's so cool.
He got me running everywhere.
That's cool. 54 Buick.
It kind of works with the side pipe.
Oh, that's great.
It all comes down to a point.
Dad, we have a picture.
What?
I have a picture of me sitting on a fender of a car in the junkyard that had them holes
Oh,
in it
yeah,
too.
yeah, yeah.
How are you, sir? Going on? Haven't seen you guys for a minute. I saw the cars. I knew we'd run into. Yeah, good seeing you. Going on?
Fox body?
We live right up off Nottingham exit. Didn't even know about this till a little while ago.
Have you swapped the Mustang?
Yeah.
Yeah.
El Camino.
So around 12:30, they're gonna go ahead and call the trophies. You must be present to receive it, obviously. You can't have like a satellite person hanging out here waiting for you. So
Wow,
around
that's cool.
12:30,
Oh,
we're gonna go through all
D150.
the trophies.
Step side?
Sweet, yeah.
I'm looking for a step side for my truck.
Yeah, that would be cool.
My bed just... Mine had the old wooden bed on it since it was a state truck and it rotted. It's awesome.
440, this one's a big block.
Yeah, that's really cool. Malibu with a new Corvette motor in it. Dang, this car looks good. Buick Cutlass. Mustang. El Camino, I like it. I'm loving it. Oh, Fairlane? Ranchero. Cool Ranchero. 67.
Remember they completely overfired that, but now they're not supposed to fully overfire.
Chevelle?
Oh yeah, we get away with that. I'll be honest with you. I think the register, the buy tag.
Oh, Chevy 3100. Cool. Chevelle? Yeah, can you put my jacket in there too? That's cool, 32 Ford. '71 Ford CT. Yeah. Got the subwoofers in the back.
Yeah. This is what Jay Foreman had, and I bought from him for $100. He took the Hey, when's my wine pushes on? Talking about that, I'm talking about
This thing's cool.
Okay.
The Apache, it's kind of newer. Yeah.
We went down to that.
This is a good looking old Belair. Like the primer colors on it.
I did a burnout or two, I'd say.
Yeah. Yeah.
It just has that burnout vibe.
Yeah. I agree. Especially the slicks on it.
Cooler, some switches. He's had a good time, huh?
Yeah, he has.
Switches normally make for a good time, don't they?
Yeah. Somebody's having a good time. It's a cool truck. Oh, the AMX. I was cleaning off my model AMX this morning. I have the Dragon one.
Okay.
The race car. AMX. GTO. Good looking old Nova. Land Sport Corvette. This thing's cool.
Got a big block in
Yeah. 413. That's awesome. It's Dodge Brothers. So cool. Oh, there's wires there. I like this thing, it's cool. Looks like it hadn't been washed in forever. But the old man that drives it, his beard is like split open from the wind blowing in his face.
Look at all the pine needles and stuff.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Barn find kit, $5 pictures.
There's Jen cruising up the road.
Oh yeah. Look at the, somebody put in a lot of detail on them tires.
Yeah.
This Thunderbird's kind of like that thing too. Like got that old, like hasn't been washed in a while kind of vibe.
Yeah, yeah.